Your next breakdown could cost thousands.
Unless you have Endurance.
I will never pay for covered car repairs again.
This driver's not leaving without paying thousands.
These repairs cost thousands too, except the driver's not paying for it. Endurance is.
Endurance has saved me over $3,400.
It was like almost a $6,000 job. Endurance covered it.
If your car's out of warranty, a new water pump could cost over $1,300.
Over here, it's covered.
An engine, $8,000.
With Endurance, it's covered.
I tell all my customers, make Endurance pay for that car repair.
In my first year with Endurance, they covered a $14,000 engine replacement.
With Endurance, you can keep your car on the road longer.
And never pay out of pocket for a costly repair.
To save $1,000, I would take it any day.
Endurance covers your car's most expensive repairs.
Parts and labor included.
A new steering rack.
The $5,000 head gasket repair.
Endurance covered it start to finish.
And your rate stays the same no matter how many claims you file.
I expected my rate to change, and it never did.
Plus, Endurance lets you pick the mechanic you trust to do the work.
Or take advantage of their VIP repair network.
So how much is Endurance coverage really?
Way less than you think.
Totally beat every other competitor.
If your car's under 20 years old, Endurance has you covered with unlimited miles. Plus, your plan includes 24/7 roadside assistance anywhere in the country.
So, who's gonna pay for your next car repair? You?
Nah, Endurance.
Right now, you can get $300 off any plan. Plus, a year of elite benefits, a $2,000 value, free. All backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Visit EnduranceWarranty.com or call 1-866-946-7854 for a free quote. That's 1-866-946-7854.